Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Food Network Go on Roku, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Food Network Go on Roku, begin by ensuring your Roku device is connected to the internet. Turn on your Roku and navigate to the home screen. Scroll down to the Streaming Channels option. Select Search Channels at the top of the menu. Type in Food Network Go using your remote. Highlight the Food Network Go channel from the search results. Press the Add Channel button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the Food Network Go channel in your channel list. Open the app and select the Sign In option. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Visit the website listed in the app on a separate device. Enter the activation code provided by the app. Log in with your TV provider credentials if prompted. Once successfully logged in, return to your Roku device. The Food Network Go app should now be activated and ready to use. Explore your favorite shows and enjoy streaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.